Now friends, coming to today's session in English class 2 part 4, we are going to learn about the rules 16 and 17. There are certain things which are made of two major parts. Such a things are supposed to be in plural number and a plural verb is used with them. Such common things are trousers, scissors, spectacles, shears, tongs, etc. मित्रों, कुछ चीजें ऐसी होती है जो दो प्रमुख भागों से बनी होती है। ऐसे चीजों को बहुवचन की संख्या में माना जाता है और उनके साथ एक बहुवचन क्रिया का प्रयोग किया जाता है। ऐसी सामान्य चीजें हैं पतलून, कैंची, चश्मा, चिमटा आदि। फॉर योर कन्वीनियंस एंड अंडरस्टैंडिंग, following are the examples to understand rule 16 and 17. Example number 1, your trousers are dirty. Example number 2, your scissors are blunt. Example number 3, the tongs are missing. Example number 4, where are your spectacles? For all these examples, we have given Hindi translation in bracket so that you can understand the meaning of English sentences here. So now we'll move to our next slide to listen and understand further things. Now coming to slide number 3 in English class 2 part 4. Here is a note. These things are can be referred as to a pair of. In that case only a singular verb will be used. Examples for above note are as under. A pair of trousers is ready for you. A pair of scissors is on table. So here the single verb is used whenever a pair of word is used in the sentence. Now we move to studying the rule 17. Rule 17 says if the subject of a sentence is some infinitive, gerund, phrase and or clause, only a singular verb will be used here. यदि किसी वाक्य का विषय कुछ इन्फिनेटिव, गेरुंड, वाक्यांश, खंड है तो केवल एक वचन क्रिया का उपयोग किया जाएगा. Examples for Rule 17 are given below. Example number 1, walking is a good exercise. Example number 2, to work hard is his duty. Example number 3, how to reach there is a big problem. Example number 4, that he is honest is known to everyone. For your convenience and understanding, we have given the Hindi translation in brackets under each and every example sentences so that you can understand the English language correlating with the Hindi translation. I hope you will understand and we'll move to our next slide session. Slide number 3. So friends, in English class 2 part 4, we have covered rule 16 and rule 17. Today in English lesson 2, we are giving you an exercise based on rule 16 and 17. So the friends, please be prepared for the exercise and try to solve the exercise yourself. दोस्तों, हमने आज के अंग्रेजी पाठ में नियम 14, नियम 15, नियम 16 और नियम 17 को कवर किया है. अंग्रेजी पाठ के अगले सत्र में हम आपको नियम 16 और नियम 17 पर आधारित एक अभ्यास दे रहे हैं. तो दोस्तों, कृपया अगले सत्र में अभ्यास के लिए तैयार रहे. Here is exercise based on rule 16 and 17. Go ahead, attempt it honestly. In this slide, presently there are 6 sentences where the verbs are not correct one. So you have to choose the right verb according to the rule 16 and 17. Answers are given below for all these 1 to 6 sentences. Under the last sentence number 6, you can check the answers with your answers, and if your verbs are not correct one, you can correct it. So now we move to our next slide, slide number 4. As we studied and understood the rules 16 and 17, and exercise has been given in earlier slide, with that same exercise, remaining 7 to 18 sentences are given as exercise to you all. Here also the verbs are not correct one. You have to think and understanding of the rule 16 and 17. You have to choose the correct verb here. So go through all these sentences. For your convenience, we have given Hindi translation here so that you can correlate English with the Hindi translation sentences. Answers for all these 7 to 18 sentences are given below for your convenience to understand better. Hope you will enjoy solving this exercise. So now we move to our next slide, slide number. So friends, as usual, in English class 2 part 4, here is small exercise for you all. We are giving you sentences in Hindi language and you will have to translate those sentences in English language. Are you ready? Here are your Hindi sentences. Sentence number 1, मैं बेंगलोर में रहता हूँ. सेंटेंस नंबर 2, मेरा जन्म स्थान पुणे है. सेंटेंस नंबर 3, ट्रेन 1 घंटे की देरी से चल रही है. सेंटेंस नंबर 4, गौतम बुद्ध बहुत बुद्धिमान लड़का है. सेंटेंस नंबर 5, साक्षी 5वीं कक्षा में पढ़ रही है. सेंटेंस नंबर 6, कश्मीर धरती पर स्वर्ग है. सेंटेंस नंबर 7, आज की वायुमंडलीय स्थिति बहुत खराब है. तो मित्रों, आप इन सभी हिंदी जो वाक्य दिए गए हैं इसे अपने समझ के अनुसार इंग्लिश ट्रांसलेशन करके आप सॉल्व करने की कोशिश कीजिए. So if you try to attempt this Hindi sentences translation into English, so you will be able to make good progress in English language and you will get confidence while learning English language here. So friends, thank you for attending this session. We'll meet in our next session on next day. Thank you all.